In the state of Arkansas, the Arkansas State Police recorded a high-speed pursuit stretching from Sherwood to Little Rock after a suspect vehicle failed to comply with a traffic stop. During the flight, the driver repeatedly traveled dangerously through busy roadways, increasing the risk to public traffic.
Looks like we're going to be going south on MLK. Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Got it there, got it there.
To end the threat, police deployed the pit maneuver, forcing the suspect vehicle to lose control and come to a stop. Officers quickly approached, issued clear commands, and restrained the suspect in accordance with proper operational procedures, bringing the pursuit to an end and restoring the situation to a safe condition.
Okay, roll over.
Get out the car! Left side, left side. Put your hands by your back.
All right, guys, let's get going.
Hands, come here. Hey, stand him up, mate. Go out there. We're in the car right now. Get the road clear. Get up.